We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. A little bit of sunshine and good vibes, yeah, that's all we need. And we ain't gonna worry, ain't in a hurry, everything is going our way. We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. Everybody's moving to the song on the radio. A little Stevie Wonder never hurt nobody's soul. Something about lawn chairs out in the warm air feels like a sacred place. 'Cause when we all get together, every day is a holiday. We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. A little bit of sunshine and good vibes.
Thank you po, madam.
Naka-record? Ang ina na, sa mall kayo? Bili daw ng raha. Inang raha bibilin? Ang kanino ba?
300. Yun, hindi ko sinasabi yung before ay...
Wala pa?
Hindi ba kumar?
Kay Manar. Ilang? Baka kanino ba? Wala man tayong pa-order na raha. Baka sa corner. Yung board. Wala sa kutensyon eh. Meron. Kay Yasmin? Meron. Tinigman ko yung kay Yasmin, sinulat ko, wala. Customized cookies meron. Kay Pamela. Wala rin. Baka po naman. Mga complimentary. Nakabili siya. Iba na ba ang nakabili?
Excuse me ma'am, sorry for interruption. Okay lang tayo, hindi mainit. So, some aircon lang kasi naka-open. Okay lang po.
Okay lang po.
Thank you po ma'am.
Naka-jacket lang yun. Pinagtupo ko masyado ba? Nakabay ba yan?
Hindi.
Hindi naman pala.